Stuck on 4G? Wiz Wireless is the only network offering incredible 9G technology. Yes, that's the 9th generation, featuring the new drone.
The National Weather Service in Vice City has issued a tornado warning for southern Leonard County in southern Leon-Ida, Vicedale County in southern Leon-Ida, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Vice City, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Vice City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: tornado and 2-inch hail. Source: tornado confirmed by trained weather spotters. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Vice City International Airport, Little Cuba, La Pearl, Vice Beach and downtown Vice City. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the warned area. Repeating. A tornado warning is in effect until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties, in Leon-Ida, Leonard and Vicedale.
Dwayne Aller makes $35 million a year. You make $10 an hour. Failure this deep